At Steve's Auto Repair, we care about you and your vehicle. We use floor mats, seats, and steering wheel covers to protect the interior while our technicians are working on it. During an oil change, we perform a visual digital inspection, checking many points on the car or truck. This includes performing a battery test, checking the belts and hoses, steering and suspension, brake pads and tires, and much more. Accessible fluids are looked over and topped off as well. If applicable, a tire rotation is included as part of our oil change. Our digital inspection is sent via email and text. Therefore, the customer can see what we see. This work comes at no additional cost. To schedule your next oil change at Steve's Auto Repair and Tire, please call 703-670-8005.